Well, hello, friends. It's Running Kimono. I hope you're all doing great. Well, last week was kind of a mess with the BIC pens, like one free item only on Sunday, blah, blah, blah. Well, I think they kind of are making it up to us because we're able to get some free BIC stationery this week. So as you can see, these highlighters are on a buy one, get one 50% off. So they're $2.99. I'm not sure what the cost of highlighters are in store. So these are curbside prices, but I think a lot of the stationery is about that $2.99 mark. We have this wonderful 5 off of 2 that is in fact attaching. And as you can see, this expires on the 15th. So we have a little bit to use this digital coupon. So load it at the very least because who doesn't like some free stationery? And just to show you the two highlighter sets, $4.48, a free pickup. There's my tax. I'm just paying tax on this. So I would say to go with highlighters. In the little stationery game, this is one item that, we can get it for cheap, but not really for free. And if you have a little home office, you might need some highlighters on the ready. We always get pens for free. But this might be something, just to throw in there, free highlighters. Now, if you want something a little different, I know that the price point for this is either $2.99 or $2.49 in store. It's around that area. Even if it's $2.99, it'll still be a freebie. So on the BOGO, 50% off. So yeah, it would be a great little free item for back to school for your kiddos. I would definitely load up on this one this week. And it's only, the digital coupon works once per store card. So load them all this morning if you have, you and your spouse's card or something like that. Just load both of them and get your free stationery. Okay, so if you're all about trying something new, this might be it for you. And sorry I didn't have this in my matchups. I came up with this deal later on Friday. So these Kit Kat fruity cereals, it's a new flavor, limited edition. If you're like me and you like to try something new, we have an 88-cent off a 2 digital coupon. Load this one right away. It's valid till the 21st. So grabbing 2 of them, that's $1.76. Yes, they are 88 cents this week. You're paying 88 cents for the 2 or 44 cents per candy bar. Okay, guys, so let's revisit this again. In my Friday preview video, I was like, I'm not sure if there's going to be Tide because the last time they just removed the Tide, no digital coupons, but I guess they must have been feeling generous. They threw them back in. So I'm going to give you a matchup with, because it was weird. We didn't have these $2 Tides. So as you can see, the product's $4.99. So it's attaching with this digital. Load this one as well. And then I got this one, which is a 3 off of 3 for the Charmin. And this is also included these, the more fancier one, as per the app. As you can see, it's $4.99. So, it's part of the dealio. If you like the more, luxurious toilet paper than essentials. I know you either like this one or the essentials. So looking at this, grabbing 1 Tide liquid for $4.99 and 3 of the fancy Charmins, $14.97 for a total of $19.96. Now we have the $2 for the Tide and then the 3 off of 3 for the Charmin. So that's $5 of digital manufacturers. You know what I would do, guys? Throw in $10 of Walgreens cash, pay $4.96 out of pocket, get back your $6 register reward. I believe this is just super, super smart. In the Dollar General yesterday, saw so many people buying toilet paper. So this might be something you want to stock up on. Now, if you do not have that 3 off of 3, I know there's $1 digital for the Charmin. You know what I would do? Grab 1 Tide Pod, 1 Tide Liquid, 1 Charmin, and then whatever else you want, another Tide Liquid or another Tide Pod. That's $19.96, subtracting the 2 for the pods, the 2 for the liquid, and the $1 for the Charmin. You're paying $14.96 out of pocket. I would throw in $10 of Walgreens cash and pay $4.96 out of pocket and get your $6 register reward. How smart is this? So just a nice little deal for some meat and potato sort of items for your household. Okay, now other digitals that popped up. This was in the ad, which is a 5 off of 3 for the Olay body wash. If you look in the deck of the ad, it says at the bottom, it says Olay body wash. Or a bar soap. So it's all there. But this one also showed up, which is a 5 off of 3 for the Old Spice. And it's on the same promotion. So if you have, if you're a male couponer, or if you're, you need this for your household, this might be an opportunity to get a lot of Old Spice body wash on the cheap. And then I want to do the fetch, spend 30, get back $10 in fetch points. But Nexus this morning did something dirty. Their shampoo was like $7.19, $8.39, and it's back to $11.99. So you'd only need obviously 2 of them for my deal to buy 20 to get back 10. It's dirty. But will this price drop as the week progresses? I think a lot of us will have a hard time tracking this shampoo in the store because it was on sale the week previous. I'm giving it the old college try. I'm either going to be successful or I'll have a story for you guys on how, it didn't work. But, I just wanted to make you guys aware that the price did jump. So I think that's kind of, but we'll have to do a curbside and cross our fingers that it works. Okay, guys, last thing before I take off here is the 5 off of 20 for your Dollar General app. OMG. Go onto your Dollar General app and load this coupon. It's valid till the end of August. We are going to have a month of cheap gain over at the Dollar General. Oh my gosh. Load this guy right away. This is your Christmas and birthday gift wrapped into one. Okay, I got to go. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.